Hello, dear student. Welcome back. You are here with me again with a new title, the new lessons. Yes, the lessons title is The Tiger King, written by Kalki. And the Kalki has thrown at the beginning a question to us, and it is a clue about this lesson as well. He said that what is the general attitude of human beings toward wild animals? As our title represents the Tiger King, yes, this is something about tiger. Here, Tiger King is the hero of this story, and he is the king of Pratibandhapuram state, and known by various different names like Jung Jung Bahadur, Jung Jilani, Jung Bahadur, Bishu Bhuvan Samrat, Maharaja Dhiraj, MACD, CTDD, like that, and often shorten it to a Tiger King. Here authors said that I have made my plan to tell you each and everything about it. And if Stuka want to get back and want to get out of my story, so he is free to do so. Actually, I want to state about something about this man. I want to tell you something about a Tiger King who was such an indomitable and courageous man that everyone want and everyone desire to meet such a courageous and indomitable man, but there is no chances to fulfilling the desire to meet this indomitable courageous man, Tiger King. Actually, he is no more in this world, as Bharat has said to Rama about Dashrath, that King Dashrath has gone at that beyond journey of this universe. He is no more. The same here. This king is no more in this world, so there is no chances of meeting. But the matter of his death is extraordinary in interest. You see, the death and the demise of this the king is extraordinary in interest. That I definitely will reveal you आपके लिए, for you at the end of this lesson, because before this it will be injustice with this story if I reveal its death at the beginning. Actually, when he won, the astrologer made a prediction about this king that one day he will have to die. He will have to die. उसको एक दिन मरना पड़ेगा. At this, Tiger King, who was just 10 days, barely 10 days, to speak something miraculous. He said that, astrologer, what are you saying? Oh prophet, oh astrologer, what are you saying? Everyone will die. सभी आदमी मरेंगे. One day, each and everyone has to die. So there should be sense in it if you say the manner of death. And he was forced to continue his statement and his predictions about the Tiger King. So he continues his statement and said that he won under the Wolves star, and tiger and bulls are enemy of each other. So his death will come from the tiger. Okay. When astrologer heard the squeaky voice of this child crown prince, he was transfixed and astonished to hear. He not only speak but also raise very intelligent questions that what are you saying? There should be sense in it. We not need your prediction like that the way you are doing. And after that he made it clear that how that will happen. That was the rumor, right? Running here and there in the Pratibandhapuram state. Okay. एक प्रतिबंधपुरम के राज्यों में इस तरह की एक अफवाह थी कि that was a miracle occurred in his childhood. When he said that his death will come from the tiger's side and the tigers, and hearing these words, he gave deep growl, "Let's tigers beware." But after that rumors, because everything was normal, he was brought up like others. You see, ये जो दूसरे जो राजा थे Indian states के, they have been brought up like that, and he ate and they drank the English cow's milk, and he watched English movies. He was tutored by English tutors, and English nanny was there, and all these things. It was like that of the Indian prince of the भारत के राज्यों के जो दूसरे भी प्रिंस थे, द वे दे हैव बीन ब्रॉट अप इन द सेम डेट विथ हिम, इसके साथ भी कुछ ऐसे ही हुआ, इसी तरह से ये बड़ा किया. एंड व्हेन ही केम एट द एज ऑफ 20 at least, and so that rumor that was continuously running in the local people of the Pratibandhupuram came to in his mind, as he has said that in his self defense one can kill the cow, and here the tiger is a beast, so it has nothing wrong to kill the tiger in his self defense. So he started his hunting here. How? First of all, he decided to kill the tiger. Okay, he said that first of all I will kill the tiger just to save myself. And he killed the first beast and sent for the astrologer that, what will you say, Mr. Astrologer? I have killed the tiger. So what is about your prediction? He said, astrologer here said that, Maharaj, you may kill the 99 tiger the same way as you have killed the first one. Maharaja said, if I did the same, then what will you do? He said that, the Maharaja, अगर मैंने 100 टाइगर के लिए जैसे बोल रहा था कि भाई 100 टाइगर से आपको बीवियर रहना पड़ेगा, यू हैव टू बी वेरी मच केयरफुल विद द 100 टाइगर. इफ आई किल द 100th one, so astrologer said, I will the tier of my books on astrology, I will set them fire, and I will cut my tuft and crop my hair and all, I'll become an insurance agent. Okay then. So that day onward, because he was not in a mood to stop this hunting and killing, and he set out and he set his mind to kill the 100 tiger first, and after that he will manage, and then he will take the charge of state. Okay, he took vow to kill the 100 tiger first, and till इससे पहले कि वो अपना चार्ज लेता स्टेट का. He proclaims the actually उसने एक तरह की announcement को अपने राज्यों में announce कर दिया. What was that announcement? This was the announcement that nobody will kill the tiger, even nobody will throw a stone over the tiger, and anyone अगर किसी ने ऐसा करने की कोशिश की, his property will be confiscated. उसकी सारी जो प्रॉपर्टी है, उसकी जो जो भी उसके पास है, that will be confiscated, वो कब्जे में ले ली जाएगी, and उसको पनिश कर दिया जाएगा. Well, he set out his journey, and he set out for the hunting. In the meantime, one more problem arises in front of him. That was the Britishes. Right, the Britishes were very much fond of killing the tiger in Pratibandhupuram state, and as they were so much fond of taking photograph over the carcass and over the dead beast, just waving the gun over it. But Maharaja refused to give him permissions. He refused them to refuse करता है. He didn't permit them to hunt in the state of Pratibandhupuram, but by doing so he stood in danger. His kingdom stood in danger. But very soon he made consultation with Diwan that what to do. Because before this consultation, he had already told the Britishes that I can manage for you some other kind of hunt, but the hunting and the killing of the tiger will be very quite prohibited for everyone, whether you are Britisher or something else. I can manage मॉस्किटो का आपके लिए अरेंज कर सकता, बोर पिग्स वगैरह का, रेड का, या कुछ भी किसी भी तरह का मैं आपके लिए शिकार करने का इंतजाम कर सकता हूँ, बट आई कैन नॉट गिव यू परमिशंस टू हंट एंड किल इन द Pratibandhupuram state. So after consulting with her Diwan, they make a very बहुत ही अच्छा एक प्लान हैच किया उन्होंने. दैट वाज द प्लान that they sent a telegram to the famous company of डायमंड की एक ज्वेलरी की दुकान थी कलकत्ता में. they sent a telegram to this shop, and the demand some expensive and good sample of the rings. And very soon, almost 50 rings arrive, and all lot of these 50 the sent to the Durasani in the wives of the Britishes. And within 3 days, देखो बहुत बहुत जल्दी, within no times, उन्होंने भी वहां से रिप्लाई करने में बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं लगाया. They didn't, without wasting her time, she sent reply to the Maharaja, thank you very much for your expensive diamond rings. It's really very nice. बहुत अच्छा था. Actually, the Diwan and Raja was considering that they may, thinking that they may, they keep 2 and 3 the best, the sample out of it, but they kept all, उन्होंने सारी सबकी सब रख ली. And within 3 days, the bill of 3 lakh come from the Calcutta's the jewelry shop. But by doing so, they lost their 3 lakh, but he was happy to manage to retain his kingdom actually. है ना, अपने किंगडम को या साम्राज्यों को रिटेन रखने में वो कामयाब हो गया था by doing so. Okay, and what happened next with him? Initially, his ambitions to killing the tiger in Pratibandhapuram state realized that he will complete the tally of 100 very soon, and within 10 years he had killed 70 tiger. Then comes some hurdle in front of it. It seems that there left nothing in the Pratibandhapuram state. It seems that the milk of the life, the tigers was easy to find than a live, एक टाइगर को पकड़ना मुश्किल हो गया था या देखना मुश्किल हो गया था. So one day he sent for Diwan and tell him, aren't you, he said to Diwan को बोलता कि aren't you aware of it that 30 more tigers still left to killed with this my gun. क्या तुम्हें पता नहीं कि मेरी इस गन से अभी 30 और टाइगर्स का मारा जाना बाकी है. So I have decided to get married, and Diwan was so much babbled with hearing these words that he thought that he want to get married with me, and later he babbled more. वो और ज़्यादा बड़बड़ा जाता है जब वो बोलता है कि मैं तुमसे शादी नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, और फिर वो सोचता है कि गन से शादी करना चाहता, तलवार से शादी करना चाहता है, and all these things. And he becomes so much stammered with his voice, and finally he said that I want to get married with the girl of human rank. First of all, you draw the static of the tiger population in our neighboring state and then find the suitable match therein. And very soon that happened, and he got married. And every time whenever he get into the whenever he goes to in-laws house, he killed 5 and 6 tiger, and then only. अब क्या हो गया था, अब उसके भी जो राज्यों में है ना, इन-लॉज के घर में या इन-लॉज के जंगल्स जो थे, फॉरेस्ट थे, इट रन्स ड्राई, वो भी खत्म हो गए. नो टाइगर्स लेफ्ट देयर. बट नाउ उसका जो गुस्सा था वो 7वें आसमान पे पहुंच चुका था. In his rage, almost many officers have lost their job. Okay, just to tell him that what to do, उनको समझाने के चक्कर में. And he had double, even उसने बहुत सारी जगहों पे टैक्सेस वगैरह को डबल कर दिया है, just because he was in furies, बहुत ज़्यादा फ्यूरियस या गुस्से में हो गया था. And he was actually he had determined, वो इतना डिटरमिन हो चुका था कि विदाउट किलिंग द 100 टाइगर आई विल नॉट लीव द प्लेस, मैं इस जगह को नहीं छोड़ूंगा. Diwan said when he issued the order to double the tax forthwith, Diwan ने बोला कि महाराज, if you will order the same, if you double the taxes on our public, so उससे क्या हो जाएगा, हमारी पब्लिक नाराज हो जाएगी. In the meantime, a happy news come from the hilly villages of his state, because there were there were the missing the ships were missing हो रही थी. And it seems that कि ये शायद कहीं ना कहीं the first of all they have to make ensured करना था उनको कि that is it the work of Mia Khader Sahib, because that was fame or a defame actually बोलना चाहिए, defame for to gulp एक धर्म से, या फिर नहीं, नॉट गल्प, एक्चुअली गल्प तो पानी हो गया, ये swallow करना पूरी तरह से निगलने के लिए ही was defamed, और इज द वर्क ऑफ टाइगर, या फिर टाइगर का है। अगर मियाँ खादर साहब का तो डेफिनेटली इट विल बी ए टाइगर ही होगा। सो एट दिस न्यूज द मेनी विलेजर रश टू गिव द इंफॉर्मेशन टू राजा। राजा के पास दौड़ के जल्दी से आ जाते हैं, एंड ही एग्जेम्प्टेड दैट विलेज फ्रॉम एनी टैक्सेस, टैक्स से उनको फ्री कर दिया। बट नथिंग हैपन, एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट व्हाट हैपन, कि अब क्या हो गया था भी, कई ऑफिसर्स पहले ही नौकरी कमा चुके थे, देयर वर मैनी अदर थिंग्स लाइक एक बार जब उसको बोल देता है, जब वो टैक्सेस की बात करती है, यहाँ से टैक्स को जरा डबल कर दिया जाए, ही सेड, दीवान सेड दैट कि अगर ऐसा करते हो तो हमारी इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस की तरह हमारी स्थिति हो जाएगी, सो प्लीज थिंक ओवर इट। एंड राजा सेड दैट तब तो तुम्हें अपनी नौकरी से इस्तीफा दे दो। एंड टू सेविंग हिज जॉब he brought a old tiger from the Madras, public park की मद्रास से लाता, वहां से put into the अपनी गाड़ी में डालता है, एंड उसको कहाँ फेंक देता है वो, जस्ट एट द प्लेस वेयर महाराजा was wandering, and actually महाराजा has pitched his tent to hunt the tiger, टाइगर को हंट करने के लिए, शिकार करने की, जहाँ उसने डेरा लगा के रखा हुआ था। And here the Diwan dragged that beast here in front of him. And very next day he was wandering in front of the Maharaja where he had been, जहाँ पे वो था, where he had pitched his tent. यहाँ पर उसने टेंट लगाया हुआ था, and that old tiger was wandering in front of him like a man who want a command to follow, कि महाराज हाँ जी क्या करना है मुझे, ऐसे उसके सामने वो खड़ा हो जाता है। महाराज हैप्पीनेस हैड that was boundless, limitless, he was so happy and he made a target and killed that the beast. Okay, बड़े अच्छे से वो निशाना साधता है and killed that, and he said that उन जो उसके साथ और थे, हंटर्स थे या फिर दीवान को, उनको वार्ड करता है, the brought this tiger to the capital with the grand processions. उसके जाने के बाद all the hunter the went close to this tiger, and they saw that tiger look back in bafflement, गोल गोल आंखों को घुमाते हुए व्याकुलता के साथ वापस देखता है। It means he had not been killed by the tiger king. टाइगर किंग के द्वारा वो मारा नहीं था, actually it was fainted because of the wheezing fast, the bullet wheezing fast. उसके कानों के पास ही वो भन-भनाती हुई जैसे गई थी, तो वो एक तरह से वो प्रॉब्लम क्या हो गया था कि वो एक तो बूढ़ा है ना, वो भन-भनाने की वजह से वो इतना पास से जैसे गोली गई थी, तो वो मूर्छित हो गया था लाइक। एंड देन एज दे वर अवेयर ऑफ इट, कि इस बात से वो अवेयर थे कि अगर राजा को पता चल जाता है इसके बारे में कि दैट ही हैड नॉट किल्ड दैट बीस्ट, so they may lose their job, वो अपनी जॉब खो देंगे। So they killed this from the distance of 1 feet and brought to the capital and make a tomb over it, buried कर दिया वहां पे, और tomb उसके ऊपर उन्होंने बना दी। And then afterward he took the charge of state, and because he had no spare time to attend the stately charge, and for the after some times उसके बेटे का 3rd birthday celebrated हुआ, and before this he had no spare time to look after this child. So they both went to the shopping market of the Pratibandhpura, where he wasn't able to find a suitable the gift for his son. And then finally he spotted a wooden tiger, and that was made of with a unskilled carpenter, but it was so low in price that shopkeeper was in a confusion that what price I should tell the Tiger King. So उन्होंने finally they bargain in 300 rupees, just saying that it is an extraordinary example of the craftsmanship का भी ये बहुत ही अद्भुत नमूना है. So and the we bargain and they bargain in 300 rupees में finally बात बन जाती है. And here the Tiger King said that so what, so that's good, that's very good, and this will be the gift behalf of you for my crown prince. Well, that day they played with each other, वो खेलते रहे. And as it was made up by an unskilled carpenter, it was rough and it has many sleeves, and one of them get into his right hand, and within four days it separated into his entire arm. Okay, and to the curing this, they had to brought 3 famous surgeons from the Madras, and they took operations. They decided to, उन्होंने decide किया कि it is impossible, ये impossible नहीं है कि भी राजा को किया जा सके without operations. So they decided to take operations, and they took operations, and after taking the operation, they come out of the operation theater and with the announcement that operation is successful because Tiger King is dead. This was the story, all right. This was the extraordinary. The demise of his Tiger King was extraordinary in interest. In that sense, कि एक wooden toy king, although he had killed 99 tiger, not 100, and 100 tiger was killed by someone else, and it means that there was some basic कुछ ना कुछ उसमें ऐसा था उसके एस्ट्रोलॉजी में जो बोला गया था. बट ये भी कहीं ना कहीं कि दैट वाज ए कंसीट, दोज ऑफ इन आयरनी, कि आपने बोला कुछ और किया कुछ. वो देखिए इतने सारे इनोसेंट एनिमल्स को मार दिया आप जस्ट टू सेव वन सेल्फ. The while astrologer has predicted that your death will come from tiger. उन्होंने ये नहीं बोला था कि जिंदा से या मुर्दा से, लकड़ी के या फिर किसी मांस वाले से. Alright, so here in this way, this wooden tiger took the revenge upon this Tiger King, especially those of वो जो 99 टाइगर उसने मारा था उसका बदला किसने लिया? Yes, by the wooden tiger which was made up by unskilled carpenter, because it was rough and it has many slivers, and one of that sliver get into his right hand, and within 4 days it spread all over his arm, and for which they have to brought famous surgeon from the Madras. They took operation and announced that operation is successful and Maharaja is dead. Okay, this was the story. And so here the conceit, the power, जो हम यहाँ बताते हैं कि एक क्वेश्चन है हमारे पर, कंसीट इन पावर, दोज ऑफ आयरनी. कंसीट यहाँ किस तरह से बन जाती है कि भी हंसी का पात्र बन जाते हैं कि जहाँ महाराजा के लिए उसने बोला कि आपकी जो डेथ है टाइगर से होगी ना, वेरी सून ही चेंज हिज प्रेडिक्शन एंड ही सेड दैट द महाराजा यू कैन द किल 99 टाइगर द सेम वे एज यू हैव किल्ड द फर्स्ट. यू हैव टू बी वेरी मच केयरफुल विद द 100 टाइगर. ओके, तो महाराजा अभी यहाँ बेवकूफ आदमी था कि जिसने देखो अपनी सेल्फ डिफेंस के लिए ही किल्ड दोज इनोसेंट 99 टाइगर्स. एंड द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन हमारे पास एक आता है कि भाई हमारा जो एक तरह का इनोसेंट एनिमल्स को हम सब्जेक्टिंग टू द इनोसेंट एनिमल्स फॉर आर विलफुलनेस, कि हम अपने मजे के लिए, अपने शौक के लिए, आनंद के लिए, एंड विच शोज आर हार्टलेसनेस, आर रथलेसनेस, एंड आर एक तरह की क्रूएलिटी दैट वी आर शोइंग टुवर्ड द वाइल्ड लाइफ. Okay, instead of staying away from the danger of the tiger, he start hunting and he start killing those 99 and 100 tigers. Not only king but also here the Britishers who are very much fond of taking the photograph after shooting that tigers. So tiger को मारने के बाद वो just they want to kill, they want to shot over it. Shot here means the photograph लेना चाहते हैं just over the carcass of the dead. That also show the cruelty. We are very much fond of killing them. हमें अपने शौक पूरे करने हैं, बट इन दिस फॉन्डनेस ये हमारी कहीं ना कहीं हमारी क्रूअलिटी, हमारी हार्टलेसनेस को शो करता है कि हाउ क्रूअल वी आर, हाउ हार्टलेस वी आर, हाउ फॉर fondness of oneself we killed the innocent animals.